What's up, everybody? I just got in the mail today my Alpinestars Tech-1 Race V2 track gloves. Super pumped about it. I'm just a beginner to the track day stuff. I think I'm going on like my 5th track session coming up in January. However, after I get done with my sessions for the day, my hands are like black from my steering wheel, and last time out my wife made fun of me about it. Hands getting sweaty, you know, hold on to the wheel too hard or whatever. So Christmas gift come early. Let's take a look, see what we got. So pretty cool little case that it comes in. A little zipper case for you to keep them organized, keep track of them. So when I ordered these things, I went with size large. I have a decently big hand, I guess. So let's see how they fit. I'd rather them be more on the snug side than like extra room in the fingertips. Yeah, they fit. They fit really good. Yep, so this color scheme is black and white. I'll show you what they look like here. Black and white. The top's got like a little bit of gray. These things are legit. Fit super good. Of course, they are my first racing gloves, so I'm assuming everything's normal. For sure gonna shave 1 or 2 seconds off my lap time, right? Yeah, right. Well, one thing I will say about Alpinestars, I ordered it directly from their website. Today's December 22nd, Tuesday. I ordered these on Saturday afternoon. So service was great. I didn't pay for any expedited shipping. It was just whatever their standard shipping was. So they're legit. I have a track day coming up early January. We'll see how they go. At least my hands will be covered in steering wheel shit like they are every other time that I go. So I'll put links in the details below where you can find the gloves on alpinestars.com, how you can get them, and then hopefully in early January I'll do another video letting you guys know how they were, how they worked, if I still like them, if I return them or whatever. But always appreciate you guys watching, and appreciate the comments below, and hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.